Hello guys, welcome back. For today's video, we are doing something very special that I've never done before.
A few moments later.
Okay, so guys, while I was recording, I lost some of the footage, unfortunately, of me singing. So I'm gonna have to do my best right now and improvise and, create as much of a, authentic visual experience for you guys as I did when I was seeing what happened to us. So here goes nothing.
What happened to us? What happened to us? What happened to us? We've been through so much, but now we're not ourselves. And it hurts so much seeing you're someone else. And I would always hurt you, so I won't ever deserve you. But I don't wanna lose you. 'Cause I will always love you. So, what happened to us? What happened to us? What happened to
Mic drop.
shit?